Right now, you are looking at a world that feels incredibly big. Mountains, oceans, cities, clouds. Everything seems massive when we stand on Earth. But what happens when we start zooming out? How small is our home in the grand design of the cosmos? Today on Galaxy Stories, we take a journey from Earth, all the way to the edge of the observable universe. Our journey begins here. Planet Earth, 12,742 kilometers wide, full of life, water, and endless beauty. From the human perspective, Earth feels huge. But in space, it's just a tiny blue dot floating in darkness. Zooming out, we now see Earth with its only natural companion, the Moon, orbiting 384,000 kilometers away. Humanity has reached this place only a handful of times. Just above Earth, the International Space Station orbits at 400 kilometers, barely scratching the surface of space. Zoom further, and Earth disappears into a system ruled by the Sun, a star so massive that it holds 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. 8 planets, thousands of asteroids, icy comets, and endless dust clouds dance around the Sun in a gravitational ballet. From this distance, Earth is no larger than a glowing pixel. Now we leave the solar system behind. The Sun is revealed as just one star among hundreds of billions. Nearby stars include Alpha Centauri and Proxima Centauri, but they are light years away. Distances are no longer measured in kilometers, but in light. Zooming out even further, we finally see our galaxy, the Milky Way, a majestic spiral 100,000 light years across, holding 200 to 400 billion stars. All the planets, all the star systems, all the wonders you've ever seen in space documentaries, they exist in just one galaxy. And Earth? It sits quietly in a small arm called the Orion Arm, far from the galactic center. As we move outward, the Milky Way shrinks. It becomes just one member of a small family of galaxies known as the Local Group. Here we find the Andromeda Galaxy, the Triangulum Galaxy, and over 50 dwarf galaxies. Andromeda is heading toward us and will collide with the Milky Way in about 4 billion years. Now our local group becomes one dot inside a massive structure, the Virgo Supercluster. This region contains thousands of galaxies, all bound together by gravity. Here space starts to feel truly enormous, beyond human imagination. Zooming out farther, the Virgo Supercluster becomes part of something even grander. Laniakea, our home supercluster. This cosmic structure contains over 100,000 galaxies, connected like islands in a vast cosmic sea. Its name means immense heaven, and that description fits perfectly. At this level, galaxies no longer look like individual objects. They form a massive cosmic web, a network of filaments made of galaxies, gas, and mysterious dark matter. It resembles a giant 3D brain, connecting the universe in ways we barely understand. And now, the final zoom. We reach the boundary of everything humanity can currently observe. The observable universe, a sphere 93 billion light years across. Beyond this limit, we cannot see. Maybe there are more universes, maybe infinite galaxies, or maybe something we can't even imagine. The truth is, we don't know.